Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing on this M18 fuel string trimmer and also the edger attachment. So yeah guys, so you can check it out, what comes inside this boxes. And yeah, if you're looking for the product review, it's gonna be on the next video, so hopefully you like it. And yeah, let's get it. Alright, so we got the guard right here. We have some instructions. We have the this is the handle. The handle. This is the string trimmer itself. Go ahead and put that there. And this is the that's the little, let me see what else does it have. Comes with all the bolts. This is only the tool, so it did not come with the battery and the and it come with the battery nor the charger. So give you a little key right here. So let's go ahead and put it together. I'm not gonna put the guard on because I do not need the guard, but place handle here, so let's go ahead and do that.
This should be the handle. Bolts. 2 little bolts and 2 nuts. And then it comes with this little Allen wrench. So it says place right there. I think there's just an extra one just in case. Or maybe this one goes here. Yeah, that one goes there. So one goes in the top and then one goes in the bottom. And then something like this. I'm not sure this one goes there, maybe. Yeah, I'll go like this because the little nut, it's right here, so goes there. You can go ahead and screw it a little bit. You would think that this one will have a no, we'll go ahead and put the other one. You would think that this one will have a head over here, but it doesn't, so go ahead and oops, doesn't come out. So guys, I do want to get this string trimmer on edger because I just wanted something new, just check it out. Mosquitoes everywhere, man. Mosquito season here in Houston. And you can see it's already scratched, so.
That looks about right. Go ahead and tighten it up. Not too tight, not too loose. That should be good right there. And it got the little thing right there, so leave this one. You just press down this right here. I've been hearing this, it's a little bit hard sometimes to put it in. Go ahead and unloosen this a little bit. There we go. There it goes. It locked in right there. And then go the weed eater attachment. Now let's go ahead and open up the edger attachment. Put everything on this one. And this one's just straightforward, just the edger attachment. Let's go and put the manual, operator's manual, little pamphlet. Comes with a little tool for the edger blade. So put this aside. And yeah, guys, there you go. Simple as that. So let's go ahead and do the product review. I'll go ahead and put the link underneath so you could check it out. Like I said, I'm not gonna put the guard on this system, but yeah, guys, there you go. If you like this video, go ahead and like. Thank you.